I'm a big believer in information therapy, and I believe that patients should know as much as possible about their own treatment because the outcome of an IVF cycle is always unpredictable. But the more you know about it, the better you're in control, not only of your own emotions, but you can also check and make sure that you're getting high quality medical care so that this gives you peace of mind that you've received top quality medical treatment. And yet, people are very reluctant to look for information for themselves. And I think this is true for multiple reasons. I think partly in India, doctors have always taken a very paternalistic approach, and it's like the doctor is the expert, he knows everything, so he shouldn't be questioned or challenged. A lot of people still believe that a little knowledge is dangerous, that patients shouldn't try to become half doctors, and it's better to just do what the doctor says and trust him blindly, which works well if you have a good doctor, but obviously is not a very clever thing to do if your doctor isn't a good doctor. And the only way to differentiate between a good doctor and a bad doctor is by finding out more about IVF so you can determine what makes a good doctor. I think another reason, of course, is that family members, especially husbands, are quite upset about the fact that their wives are on the internet all the time, Googling away, talking to other patients, looking at chat boards or bulletin boards or WhatsApp groups about infertility and getting lots of information. They think that they've got obsessed with infertility and aren't willing to do or spend time or energy doing anything else, and obviously they don't like that. And finally, I think patients themselves are a little bit worried that they'll get information which will cause them to become anxious or scared or fearful. For example, they may read about the side effects of IVF or that the babies may be abnormal, and this may upset them. So sometimes they don't want to look for information to protect themselves. But the reality is that information is powerful, knowledge is power, ignorance is not bliss. Yes, you need to learn how to get the right information. You need to do a little bit of homework and research, but trust me, it's well worth this. I'm Dr. Malpani. I run a clinic in Colaba in Mumbai. That's Malpani Clinic. Our website is www.drmalpani.com. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out on our website and I'll be happy to answer them. I provide free second opinions free of cost.